Hello everybody, I'm Philipe, CEO of EasyLive, and today I will talk to you about live streaming. Live streaming is a huge billion-dollar market where the biggest tech companies are massively investing in. Google, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and of course, all the broadcast and media industry. With my associates, we come from that industry. We used to run a live video production company, and what we learned from the field is that most of the existing tools, they are very hard to use, very expensive, and they do not meet the web requirements. Creators, the only thing they want is a very easy tool, flexible and reliable. Actually, in one click, they want to be able to deliver their brand, to value it, to create professional content, engage with the audience, and monetize it. This is why we started EasyLive. EasyLive is a cloud-based live editing tool, fully automated. We do think that by the control of the editing part, the graphic insertion, you will get control of the entire process of your live stream. Why? Because controlling the editing side, you will control every single thing real time. You know who is speaking, what the scoring, what's the timing. So you know every single thing. Let's see some example. So you see what we do, we can recreate any of the TV-like experience, fully automated. This is very important for the experience for our clients because, like all of us, whether we watch some video on the web or on the TV, we all want the same experience, a very high quality delivered. And in our case, everything is fully automated. Let's see how it works. It's very easy. Whether you use a simple phone, just like most of you as I see, or a more complex setup, just like those gentlemen here, we get the feed on our server, we applied all the labels, graphics, and we deliver that feed on your video channel, like your YouTube channel, for example. So you edit, you interact, and then you monetize. Let's have a look at the back office. We have here all the professional capabilities for non-professional or for non-skilled people. We have titling, Twitter feeds, animation, scoring interface. Everything is API-driven. This is how we automatize everything. We also have, of course, live clipping capabilities, but the cool stuff, it's fully automatic. So let's say you're live streaming a tennis game. We will clip for you all the points. You don't have to think, we do that for you. And we think that this is the future of the media. Democratize, industrialize the live. Now let's get back to the monetization side. Today, most of the free access video, you have mostly one way to monetize them is by the pre-roll. We offer our clients three ways to have a complementary monetization. The first way is the traditional one, by the ad serving. With our technology, we are going to trigger automatically the mid-roll. Because the cool stuff, with live streaming, you have a lot of breaks. Just before I came in here on the stage, you have a break. Before the speaker just left, myself coming in, you have a couple of seconds that you could have triggered the ad server. Let's say you're not happy with this, you want to keep control on your monetization? No problem. With our platform, you can ingest your video inside the stream itself. And the cool stuff, ad blocks, they don't see it. It's inside the stream. So you keep control on the entire chain. And the last part, since we control all the graphics, we can turn them all clickable into the player that you are using. So you can really interact with your audience. So today, the business model is a licensing model with unlimited use for our clients. And our clients, we work with the biggest sports organization in Europe, live betting companies, professional like those guys here, and media. Thank you.
So a question about the advertising. Are you telling people, hey, here's where you could put some ads and here's the platform to go do the insertions? Or are you actually taking all of that inventory across your users and helping them sell the advertising and finding advertisers?
Very good questions. So basically, we don't deal with the inventory. We just provide the tool. So if you have your own ad server or you're using DoubleClick, for instance, we will trigger it for you automatically. Today, it's not very convenient. You have to wait for hours just to push a button. No one does it for the mid-roll. So let's automatize it. The second way is, let's say you want to sell yourself, your advertisement, like Audi today. You want to promote Audi. You don't need to go through an ad server. You just put your video on our platforms, and we'll trigger it for you automatically. So you keep control on the chain.
Tell me a bit more about your customers. What's their buying process, and how do you convince them to switch what they're doing to you when they're presumably been doing what they're doing for quite a while already?
Very easy. So we work with a bigger sports organization and live betting company. Those guys, they need a business model to do what they do. And today it costs a lot of money where they have to bring a lot of technicians for some events where they don't make a lot of money today out of it. So they want to automatize the process to not get any operators on it, basically. It's like a complementary to what they already do.
So you have a sales force that targets those people?
Yeah, we have two ways. We have a direct approach by Salesforce, and the second way is through video platforms. We have deals with most of the video platforms in the world. Some of them, it's already signed, so basically they buy licenses and offer them to their clients, and some others, they just charge their client for that.
Thank you.
Fantastic, Philippe. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.